Hello everyone, I'm Dvij Kalaria from India. To start off with a little bit about myself, I'm currently pursuing a computer science major at Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. My research interests include safe motion planning and controls, as well as vision for ground robots, especially autonomous vehicles. I have done several research projects and also am a part of an undergraduate research group named the Autonomous Ground Vehicles at my home institute. Apart from research, some of my hobbies include hiking, skating, and swimming. I also like playing badminton, lawn tennis, and table tennis in my free time. Moving on to what I'll be working on about this summer. This summer, I'll be working under the guidance of John Dolan and Jin Lane at Argo AI Center for Autonomous Vehicles Research Lab. My problem statement includes developing a delay time aware, safety critical control algorithm for safe driving cars. With the recent surge in affordable self driving vehicles, which have limited capabilities, computation times becomes a major factor of concern. If the control algorithm fails to consider this delay, it might pose a threat to the road safety, especially on high-speed scenarios such as highway. Also, with the recent advent of autonomous racing, high-speed vehicle nonlinear modeling inevitably leads to high computation time. With other factors such as actuator dynamics and actuator passing delay, there is a considerate amount of delay caused before the planned command actually influences the vehicle dynamics. Given below is an example of why this delay might play an essential role in autonomous racing. If you look at the image at the right, if the algorithm doesn't consider any delay time, and if it plans straight steering command at this position, the command will reach the vehicle after covering some distance at this position, after it has deviated from the racing line, and this deviation adds up further and the vehicle ends up losing control and thus crashes. While if the control algorithm is aware of the delay time, it plans a right steering command right away from this position, and thus happens to drive the racing line, retaining control even with the delay in practice. Recent works have, however, considered these delays individually in different contexts. My work for this summer is to consider all these delays for motion planning under one framework in the context of autonomous driving. Most works have considered compensation for computation time by taking upper bound estimate. However, this makes the plan very conservative and might not be suitable for highly dynamic scenarios. My work uses a probabilistic approach for estimating computation time and also adapts to its changing values, and which makes the algorithm neither too conservative nor too unsafe. My work also extends to ensuring theoretical safety to the vehicle under the presence of bounded perturbations due to the errors in the vehicle model using robust MPC approach. Lastly, I would like to thank the sponsors for making this wonderful opportunity possible. I would like to thank Rachel Bursing and John Dolan, who have made this program look very easy, even when it is online. And lastly, it has been great working with this cohort so far, and I look forward to for the rest of the summer. Thank you.